Hello everyone! In this video, I will teach you how to install Ubuntu with a VirtualBox on Windows 11. You can install any Ubuntu or any Linux distro directly into your PC and run as a host system on the same computer. But there is only one problem. If you're a beginner or just starting to learn Linux, then it's much safer to use a virtual hypervisor like VirtualBox. The reason behind is if you make any error or run a wrong command, then only the virtual machine will be harmed, which you can reinstall again. And if you want to learn how to install the VirtualBox, the video link is in the description. Before we jump into the video, please consider subscribing to my channel and press the bell icon, as we are bringing a free and easy video course on Linux very soon. That course will enable you to learn Linux that can make you job ready. So let's start the installation of Ubuntu now. Just go to any search engine and type Ubuntu 22.04 LTS download. Then click on the first link from the official Ubuntu website. Just for your ease, I have dropped the direct download link in the description. Then scroll down on the page and click on this Ubuntu 22.04 desktop AMD64 ISO file. Then click on this link and your download will start instantly. Keep in mind it's a heavy file of around 4 GB, so it may take some time, depending on your internet speed. Since I have downloaded the image file already, I will pause it here. Now open your VirtualBox if you haven't installed the VirtualBox. Video link of a quick and easy process is in the description. After opening the VirtualBox, click on this new button. Then provide the name of your machine. I'm writing it as Ubuntu P-Zone. Then provide the machine folder path. In my case, it has automatically fetched the right path. In Type tab, select Linux. Then choose the Ubuntu 64-bit inversion option. Then click on Next. In this window, provide the size of RAM you want to allocate. You can choose a size of your choice. As you can see, the minimum recommended memory size is 1024 MB. I will change it into 2048 MB. If you have less memory, you can choose the minimum recommended size. Then click on Next. On Next window, check this option, Create a virtual hard disk now. Then click on Create. In Next window, we have a multiple options. Choose here Virtual Hard Disk. Then click on Next. On Storage Type, I will leave it as it is. Dynamically allocated, then click on Next. In this window, you will see the file location and then provide the virtual hard disk size. I'm giving it 20 GB. Then click on Create. Here on left side you can see we have created the new machine with a given name of Ubuntu P-Zone. But this machine is not operable yet because we haven't given the ISO file. To provide the ISO file, you can go to Storage by clicking on Setting button, or you can upload here without getting into the hassle of settings. Here, at first, you can see General, then System, then Display, and here it comes Storage. As you can see in blue letters, our optical drive is empty. Click on this, then choose a disk file from the drop-down menu. Then go to the Downloads folder or wherever you have saved your ISO files. Then choose your file, and click on the Open button, then click on OK. Now look again here on the Storage tab. We have successfully uploaded the file. Now it's time to complete the process by installation, and for that, we have to start the machine by clicking on Start button. By using the arrow keys on your computer, select the first option, Try or Install Ubuntu. Then hit the Enter button. Now let it run and wait for a few seconds. Here we are at the installation process. As you can see, we got two options, Try it or Install Ubuntu. And then on the left menu, you can select the language. I am choosing English, then click on Install Ubuntu. On Next window, select Keyboard Layout. I will keep on US English, then click on Continue. On Next menu, choose the option Normal Installation, and then choose the Download Updates while installing Ubuntu. If you don't want, you can then check it. But it's good to have this option, so I will choose this option and click on Continue. On Next tab, select the installation type, Erase Disk, and Install Ubuntu. Don't worry, this won't erase your computer disk. It's doing all on virtual machine. Now click on Install Now button. If you get any pop-up message of write the changes to disk, just ignore it and click on Continue. Here you have to select the location. Since I'm in Sweden, I will choose Stockholm. And you can choose your location. Then click on Continue. Here you need to provide the name and set your password. I'm writing it as pzone and computer name as Ubuntu 22.04. Choose your password. Then click on Require my password to log in. Of course, just to be secure. Then click on Continue. Now installation process has been initiated. It can take some time. Meanwhile, let me make a cup of coffee. So friends, as you can see, installation has been completed. Now you have to restart it. Click on Restart Now. Here, you can see machine has been successfully rebooted and now provide your login details. If you want to connect Ubuntu with your online accounts, you can do it here. Otherwise, skip it. I will skip it. On this next tab, select No, Don't Send System Info. Then click on Next. On Next Privacy tab, I will leave it default by clicking on Next. Here you see you are ready to go. Click on Done. Here you can see the interface of Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. Just to verify your installation, you can right-click anywhere on Ubuntu desktop and select Open Terminal. Or you can open the terminal from left menu as well. On Terminal, run this command. more/etc/os-release. Here you can see the details of Ubuntu and its version. So here you have it, guys. The complete process of downloading and installing Ubuntu on VirtualBox. If you find this information useful, please subscribe to my channel to learn more about Linux and other useful softwares. I will see you in the next one. Blessings and much love.